Revit Architecture is a 3D parametric building information modeling software package. By building information modeling, or BIM, I mean that you can design, analyze, and create documentation for every aspect of the building process, all within the Revit software. Now, traditionally, architectural documentation would consist of many different drawings and schedules that contain the information required for construction. This meant if you had to change one of the documents, you'd have to manually update the rest of the sheets to satisfy the change as well. Even today, while CAD tools have replaced the T-square and drafting table, building information is generally kept in a collection of individual 2D CAD files. And if you make a change in one file, you must go in and make the same change in the rest of the files. This is one of the main benefits of Revit and BIM in general. Since all of the building information is self-contained within a single file, if you make a change in one area of the design, Revit will automatically propagate the change for you wherever it's required. This not only helps you manage all of your designs and documentation, but also helps you collaborate with others who are involved in the design and reduces the risk of error or oversight. Now, because Revit also lets you work in 3D, this really helps both the architect and the client visualize the completed project. So you can anticipate potential problems and make the appropriate design changes before construction even begins. On top of that, you can quickly create photorealistic renderings of your designs, walkthroughs, and other rich presentation material from within the 3D environment in Revit. Now, I mentioned that Revit is a parametric modeler. Parametric modeling simply means that the software stores parameters, relationships, and properties along with the model data. You can use Revit to create a building information model, which contains all of the geometry, geographic information, spatial relationships, quantities, and properties for all of the different components or elements in the building design. The model maintains a single database containing all of the information about the building design. A building information model lets you design, construct, and visualize the completed building, calculate, keep track, and update quantities and schedules, and helps facilitate communication between the different teams working on the design. Because it's a parametric modeler, Revit also keeps track of relationships between different parts of your model. This is incredibly useful. For example, if you have a wall that goes up to the second floor and the height of the second floor changes, in a parametric system, the height of the wall will update automatically to reflect that change.